Welcome to the Metaverse NFT Investment Masterclass. So in this class, you're going to learn how to find, evaluate, and invest in the best projects in the crypto metaverse / NFT space. My name is Stefan, I'll be your instructor, and I'm going to share a lot of the things that have really worked for me well, okay? I'm going to share with you how I think about this space, how we invest in this space, and how we set up our expectations and how we set up our systems, okay? You're going to see how the best people in the space do it. Now, my background is in tech startups, and it's also in investing, okay? And before that, it was in psychology. And so I've applied all three of these things, which give me like a really unique insight in terms of like how to evaluate projects, because a lot of these projects are very similar to early stage startups, which is my background. Now, by the end of this class, what you're going to have is you're going to have an understanding of why NFTs are valuable, what the metaverse is about, and what are some of the ways it's going to unfold and evolve over the next few years. You're also going to understand how to find projects, how to evaluate projects, and then how to manage those investments. Now, the approach that we use here is unique, okay? And what you're going to get in this course, in this masterclass, is this approach. And the way we do it is that we start out by creating a 30,000 foot big picture view of the space. And this big picture is going to help us understand it. It's going to help us understand why NFTs are valuable, what the metaverse is about, how community and crypto fit in, okay? And once we understand and have this map, then we can use this map as a guide. We could find areas of value. Then we can do deep dive into these different areas of value, based on our interests. And then once we know that, we have 4 or 5 projects in this area of value, maybe it's in the NFTs in the community space or identity, or maybe it's historic projects. Once we have those projects identified, we can then start to vet them, we can validate them, and we can decide which ones we want to invest in. So we're going to show you exactly how to do this in this course, okay? And we're going to take it one step further. We're going to show you how to de-risk the whole thing. Because a lot of crypto investors, they come in, especially people that are doing it for the first time, and they take on too much risk, and they don't understand some of the techniques that you can do to de-risk it. And in essence, lowering your risk while increasing your reward. So we're going to share it with you how to do that as well. So if you're someone that wants to learn about NFTs, the metaverse, or crypto investing, this is the perfect class for you. If you're just looking to understand the space and then maybe invest or get to know the community, this is a great place to start. And this is essentially for anyone that's trying to improve their life in this way. So we made this course really accessible. Anyone that wants to participate can jump in, okay? We made it free on purpose. It's free for a limited time only, okay? So be sure to come in, start the class. It only takes about 2 hours, and then forward we can move together and we can show you some of the cool tools that we've created for you. So hope to see you in the class and hope you have a great rest of your day.